child, I look crazy. Anyways, so you're going to start with your 2 wig caps. You know, hi, how are you doing, you guys? What's up? I just jumped all into here without saying hi, but hey. So I'm starting with my hair braided straight to the back. And I have 2 black wig caps because I'm going to use 2 instead of 1. So right now I'm just tying my hair into a little bitty bun, and I'm going to secure it with a rubber band and tuck it into the wig caps. Next, I am using the Got To Be Free Spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my cap to create like a protective layer between the cap and the glue. I didn't feel like buying the whole hair bond protector because I did not feel like putting that stuff all in my hair. So I'm just going to use this stuff and pray it works. Next, I'm just going to blow dry it to help it harden before I go ahead and put my glue on. And then I'm going to use a white eyeliner pen just to outline where my leave out is so I don't put tracks in the wrong place, because that would be bad. And I'm using the 30-second bond glue stuff, you know what I'm talking about, that, to glue the tracks together. And now for the fun part. So this is where you're going to be measuring the track to the back of your head. Make sure it goes to the end of the cap, because if it's shorter, you're going to be mad when you're done. So just make sure it lines up from ear to ear, and you're going to basically cut, glue, repeat. Measure, cut, glue, repeat. Now, some people glue in a U shape, which is what I tried to do, but it really didn't work out that well, as you're going to see. But, I mean, in the end, it came out pretty all right. Okay, 1, 2, skip a few, we're near the top of my head. So when you get towards the top of your head, you really want to be careful about where you lay your tracks, because this is going to determine how the front of your head looks. As long as you make sure the ends of those tracks are meeting the end of that cap, you should be okay. Meaning you won't have issues with your track showing. Now, it's up to you to make your tracks go straight. You know, going like straight across horizontally, or you can make them curve up and meet the white line like I'm showing you here. It's up to you. I think either way it'll come out all right, like especially if you have leave out around here, you'll be fine, but just be cautious of that. Hey, so guess what? This is where you get to learn from my mistakes. I cut the first layer of the cap. Why? I don't know. I think I started to cut both of them, but decided I didn't want to. But here I'm cutting the first layer, and I'm going to glue on a track after that. But I realized when you do that, the glue and the track will be on one cap instead of 2. And the glue can seep through to your hair. So don't do this. Wait till you're done. And then cut the cap. now for the fun part. You get to finally cut this last cap off. I found that it was easier to just cut down the middle and, well, like do a small cut down the middle, which loosened it from your hair to make sure you don't cut your hair, because nobody wants to cut their hair. And then you can just cut the excess off as you see fit. Alright, and after about 5 hours, you have a completed hairstyle. I'm just kidding, it didn't take me 5 hours. Probably took me about like 1.5, only because I was moving kind of slow just to make sure I put everything correctly in place. But now, the rest of this is just going to be me styling the hair. But that is it for this tutorial, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to see how I flat ironed and styled my hair, you keep on watching. Appreciate it. I see you made it this far. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so that's it for this video. My hair is done. Don't worry, I flat ironed that little bump in the back. But yeah, that's it for this video. I like the little tucking my hair behind my ear look. I'm gonna go for that. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. And yeah, thanks, you guys. Adios. Till next time.